Hi, this is John Criswell. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. Today we're in St. Peters, Missouri, and home of the D.H. Schmidt Company. For more than 50 years, the D.H. Schmidt Company has been a family-operated business founded by David Henry Schmidt. What began as a decisive move into the growing commercial casework industry in St. Louis, Missouri, has developed into a manufacturing business with a proven track record of delivering quality commercial cabinetry, casework, countertops, and fixtures. A storehouse of experience has been built over the course of 50 years, and D.H. Schmidt Company uses that experience to discover working solutions and provide beautiful, lasting casework for their customers. As they like to say at D.H. Schmidt, we don't have a catchy high-tech designer name, and there's a good reason for that. In 1966, David Henry Schmidt began a custom cabinetry business with the thought that the most honest name he could give his new company was his own name. After all, he puts a piece of himself into every job delivered. So that's what he named his company, and it stuck. D.H. Schmidt Company has continued to grow through the years with new machinery, processes, facilities, and devotion. Today, the company boasts a 35,000 square foot facility with custom machinery to create whatever challenging designs their clients wish to envision. They are a QCP licensed member of the Architectural Woodwork Institute. At D.H. Schmidt, they relish the challenge of designing something beautiful, built with integrity, and ready for installation. Let D.H. Schmidt show you true craftsmanship at dhschmidt.com. This is John Criswell for Manufacturing Marvels.